Hello friends, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing good and preparing well for your examinations. We are doing a revision of ISCA CA final old syllabus paper number 6, and this today's video is about important notification. I'll say not notification, important information for you people. See, paper number 6 practice manual of ISCA is been again released. See, you can see the revised edition September 2019. So it is the latest edition which has been released by ICAI, and also it has the MCQs in it. So here the MCQs and also the case studies, and it has been just recently released by the ICAI, I guess 2 days back. So kindly download this new practice manual or take a print of it, and keep the old one aside and start preparing from this, because the new one is updated one, and since ISCA has only last 2 attempts remaining now, so having this new practice manual is a boost for all of us, so that we can prepare well and give our exams in a good manner. So kindly download this from MJS Knowledge Portal, old scheme, final course, paper number 6 practice manual. So they are given in different kind of PDFs, as here you can see. It has been given in total 11 links, so you can just download them, take a print and start studying the new practice manual. So till then, all the best for your preparation.